The Kurdish authorities in eastern Syria have started supplying oil from the local fields they managed to the central government in Damascus. This is the first announced delivery from northeastern Syria to the new government.
The oil supply procedure has certainly started from the northeastern regions of Syria through the autonomous administration to the government in Damascus, specifically from the Al-Ada station to collect the oil as expected directly to the Homs refineries where oil is refined. The process of transporting oil in an amount of 15,000 barrels per day is done via huge tankers. As a fluorescence appears behind me. I leave you with these special pictures for the event. As you can clearly see, these tanks are in the process of sifting the oil from the Lentil station towards the Homs refineries, where the diesel fuel is obtained specifically, and in particular the gasoline is also produced efficiently and effectively. On the road here, approximately 150 tankers are currently waiting their turn to reach Tel Adasa station, which is about 40 kilometers away. At the station, there are about 100 other tankers filling crude oil. Then they are to transport it to Basrut, the city of Homs, where one of the largest oil refineries is located, which is the Homs refinery. These trucks, Hani, as you can see, are waiting for their turn and permission to go to Tal Ada station. Of course, Tal Ada station is one of the largest oil collection stations in Syria, specifically located in the oil town of Ramelan. It has a large collection capacity that collects from the Auda fields as well as the Ermilan fields, in addition to the Derek fields, collect oil and then pump it into these deserts to be transported to Mustafa Homs, where the oil is refined and the oil derivatives are distributed to all the cities of Syria. According to information, these tankers, which number about 1,500, are transporting about 15,000 barrels of oil daily as of today, as agreed upon between the Syrian Ministry of Oil and also the Autonomous Administration for oil transport to Mustafa Homs. Basically, everything that is transported is refined into the substance of benzene, known here as diesel, and also gasoline, and then distributed to fuel stations in all of Syria to be distributed to the citizens.